Hello traders and investors. This will be a tutorial on how to set up a range indicator directly on your chart with the candles here on your ThinkorSwim trading platform. As you can see, I already have two common indicators down at the bottom, the RSI and the MACD. Now, these are already set with presets, and you'll find these on the Studies tab, and you'll be able to input these as well. But for this video, I'm going to focus on the upper chart and help you set up a range indicator that helps you identify tops and bottoms. I like using this indicator because it seems to clearly show some resistance areas at the top and also some support areas at the bottom where you might identify buying opportunities. Now, this indicator seems to work well on triple leverage ETFs here like SOXL, on other ETFs, as well as stocks. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the hourly time frame, and I'll start by hitting the Studies tab here up at the top. So you left click on that, and what you're going to do is hit Edit Studies. And you'll find that my RSI and MACD is already here. And if you want to load those up with the presets, you can just search them here in the Search tab, and then you would hit Add, and they would show up here on this section. I like to do something with my RSI by going to the Settings tab, and where it says here Show Breakout Signals, I click Yes. Then you hit OK and Apply. And now you'll notice the arrows pop up here in the lower section that show where the breakout has occurred. But now to get to the range indicator, the first thing I'll do is I will type in channel. And you'll see the different types of channels that are brought up here in the study section. Then I'll click Standard Error Channel, which for now is at the bottom. Then I click Add Selected. I'm going to do this twice, so I'm going to click Add Selected again, so that you end up with two standard error channels. And you'll see what I'll do is I'll modify them slightly. So then I go here to the settings on the first one. And the first thing I want to do is on the upper band here, I want to label that red. I'm going to change the width to 3. The middle band, I'm going to show a dotted line. So I'll select the dotted dash line, and I'll leave that width at 1. On the lower band, I'm going to color it green and change the width to 3. All the inputs up here, I'm going to leave the same, and then I'll hit OK. Now the next one below, I'm going to change the presets here in the inputs, and I'm going to switch it to 1. So I would just hit the minus section, or you can type in the 1 directly. Now here in the upper band, I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to color this red for a sell signal, and the width 3. The middle band, which would be my average price, I'm going to do the dash line and leave the width 1. The lower band, we're going to go green again, make the width 3 so it shows up nicely on the chart. Then I'm going to hit OK. Now the next thing that's kind of important is you want to save this set. So you want to save the set, and I am going to call this a range value channel. And you can set the name for whatever you like. The important thing I think is to save it so that you have it to load into your other charts. So I'll hit save and OK. As you can see now, I have an indicator that fairly reliably identifies buying opportunities and selling opportunities. Now sometimes you'll get an overextension or a deviation, but you'll find that it returns right back to the average or the mean here. and can even fall below. So when any stocks or ETFs are trending, you might find that it'll hang in a lower channel, and those also offer great opportunities for shorter time frame swing trades or for day trades even. If you're trading a long-term position like portfolio investing, you would look for these opportunities to buy as low as possible to maximize your gains, especially if you're using some kind of risk to reward ratio that's a lot smaller in percentage. But I thought I'd like to share this indicator with you guys. It's a semi-custom. As you can see, the study is already found here on ThinkorSwim, but it's very easy to set up, and I hope it provides you a lot of success in your trading. It has for me. And if you guys like this video, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification button for the bell icon, and you'll see the next videos that I can put out. And any other comments you might have, please set them in the comment section, and I'd like to see if you could create some videos that could help you guys out in your trading. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.